Oh, just went.
Keep going, keep going. Factory GM. U-joints. Got the little wax thing right there. Heat it up. People got a little bit bigger joints, not the biggest. Heat it up until that comes out. And then they get loose. And then you can tappy out the rest of the way. Oh. Here comes rubber brake bubble.
Oh, just went.
Keep going, keep going.
Oh yeah, it already has this like. Yeah. How much comes out? I think half of it already squirted out. It's like starting to boil in there. Is that good?
Yeah, that looks probably right. Here in Minnesota, we know how to have a good time. Never forget, Minnesota is rust. And U-joints. Got my drive behind me. Fresh gasket. Clean pan. Fresh paint. Satin black, flat black, whatever. I don't know.
This is satin.
Satin black. So, went through and washed all the bolts up. They're nice and clean, going nice. And get the pan on and dump in some fluid. Okay, it's been a while in the shop. It's Sunday. We got work in the school, so we gotta start wrapping up. Tranny, we got the pan off, cleaned, fresh fluid, new gasket, all that, so that's good. We're supposed to take about 5 quarts, according to the internet. We put about 4.5, 4.25 in, and we might just let it sit, and then start it, gear out of gear, gear out of gear, to do that. We fought the good fight. Unplug our fan. Fought the good fight on some drive shafts. We got that new U-joint in. That new U-joint in. Got our carrier bearing in. And that one there goes to that right there. The yoke goes into the transmission, and the right U-joint is not the one that we have. Our book was wrong when we ordered it. Imagine that. So we got that going on right there. That took air hammers. That took ball joint presses. That took heat. Took all the things. Oh, she's getting away. That's the carrier bearing mounting pad. You know what? He's perfect. I'm stepping on stuff over here. We got some more parts to go, but the pile's getting smaller. We are trying to get the pinion bearing seal out right now. It's stuck pretty good. We're gonna let it soak. We've got this brake trim that the pads are, pardon me, the shoes. Thank you for the correction. The shoes are rusted in place. So that we're gonna let sit for a bit and just end up probably prying it off. We've got all new everything, so that is okay with that. Yeah, these joints we're fighting with. And what else should we do? A lot of things. So we've got, so there's our pinion we're fighting with right now. We're gonna let it soak for the night. We've got the axle or the rear diff cover off. And then like this is a big C-clipper in, big. And we gotta get these pulled out. So you can get axle seals. And then we got all new hardware. We got wheel cylinders too, right? Oh yeah, we got everything. We're professional. So we got all that. The title. We could not find the title where we thought the title was. So we might have to get a duplicate title in order to get some fresh license plate. I guess 2011 is too old. Well, a lot of work, a lot of progress. We're getting close to the end. That's all I got for now. Never forget, Minnesota is corporate 14 bolt. If you count them, 14. Corporate 14 bolt roast. Here at Minnesota. Thank you much.